A difficult evening, Craig, at the Traeth against Llandudno. Positives, a few new players, but a 2-0 result against Papirnyk tonight. What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, obviously a disappointing result again, and I think I put it in my programme notes. We're going to have games like this during the season. We're a new side, we're newly promoted, and we're learning all the time. And I think tonight, looking at the group of players, they shown that they learnt a lot from the defeat in Holywell. I thought they played really, really well in large spells of that game this evening. And I thought that the new players who come in were outstanding. Some of them haven't even trained with us, but they've gone straight into the team. They've shown a tenacity, a desire, a hunger to play for the club, and it bodes well for the future for us.
It's another game we haven't scored, so where's the goals going to come in the next 3 to 4 weeks?
Well, I think one was questionable tonight, whether it went over the line or not. So we can chalk that one off, I guess. But look, we know that we're coming up against experienced teams, well-established teams, good defences, good quality of opposition. But we've been scoring goals on a regular basis all season, and I've got no doubt that the goals will keep continuing to come. Looking at tonight's performance, as I said, the positives outweigh the negatives. All right, we've lost and it's 2-0, it's a defeat. But the performance itself was a good one and a positive one. Llandudno have got a tremendous amount of firepower, and that proved to be the deciding factor this evening. They took their chances really well when they came. As I said, we've had a few chances ourselves. Potential penalty. A real shout for a penalty, which could have changed the game, but it wasn't to be. And as I said, we'll move on now. We'll focus to go training on Tuesday, and then we'll look to welcome Mold next weekend.
Diolch, Craig, for coming out at the end of the game.
Diolch, Dal.